Jocelyn McClellan here with Fit Mission Makeup, and welcome to this channel. I'm so glad that you're here. So stay a bit and enjoy. You guys push that button, ring that bell, and subscribe to this page because I bring to you awesome hair tutorials with short hair. I even put a pencil in my hair, so if you haven't seen that tutorial, make sure you do. Some really awesome makeup tutorials as well, where I go from youthful, young looking skin to mature skin. I absolutely love all the different types. I've worked with thousands of women, possibly even you, and we have mastered some killer stuff with your skin. And then style. You cannot go wrong with your own closet and taking those outfits and throwing everything into it and creating something new. But more importantly, one of my biggest goals is to take those three components and teach you to love you. That's huge, and you may not think that it's makeup, hair, and style that's gonna do it, but it's definitely going to add to it. And also know that on Facebook, Fit Mission Makeup with Jocelyn McClellan, I have live tutorials there too. Instagram, jocelyn.mcclellan, which I'm there all the time. But most importantly here, every single week, I am bringing you a brand new tutorial that you are going to enjoy that can help you out too and get you closer to your goal and my goal for you. Again, I'm Jocelyn McClellan. Welcome, comment, enjoy, feel the love. I got you.